Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. So this is your practical guide for your Reset Your Shakti book. And right now we're going to look at Katichakrasana in prone position. Katichakrasana is nothing but spinal twist done in prone position. And I'm going to demonstrate how to do this. It's a little bit difficult asana to understand, but it's going to give you tremendous benefits, and every little detail is been explained in your guide, so please refer there. So I'm only going to show you practically how to perform this asana. So let's bring ourselves in prone position. We're going to lie down on our belly. Chin on the floor, arms next to your body, feet are joined together. Breathe normal. From here, to perform the asana, we are going to separate our feet a little bit by about 2 to 3 feet distance. Bring both the arms next to in your shoulder line to make a T. Your chin is touched on the mat. Now we're going to lift your right leg up and try to bring as close to your left palm as possible. Either you can look at right or you can keep the chin on its place. And feel the twist in your back. In the beginning, it might be possible that you cannot lift your leg and take it that far. It's okay. Wherever you are, just feel the balance. Breathe on. Now to release, slowly bring the leg back to its position. Arms next to your body. Slowly bring yourself in sitting position. That is our Katichakrasana in sitting position. Happy practicing.